G'day chemistry students. In this video, we're looking at dot point 5.4.2. In particular, we're looking at how Australia's First Nations people apply an understanding of solubility to increase food supply from natural resources. Let's get into it. In particular, today we are looking at the cycad plant. It's a fruit that is a very distinct red color. And can be found in certain parts of Australia. Now, naturally, in Australia, red is a signal to all living things that the plant is poisonous. It's an evolutionary trait that has been developed to act as a deterrent so that the plant is not eaten. However, there are records of Aboriginal people being able to extract the toxins from these plants, which would make it inedible so that they can be used as food supply. Now, I'm not going to be talking directly about how these techniques actually work in a lot of detail in this video. I'm going to be leaving that up to a gentleman named Greg Nannup. He's an Aboriginal man who lives in Western Australia, and this is a recording of a tour that he's done out in the bush. So he was showing some people around, showing some plant life, and what those plants were and are still used for by Aboriginal people. So there is a link to this video in the description. That is going to be the main body of your work for this lesson for Flip Classroom today. In the next video, once we've broken down and had a little bit of a talk about cycad plants and how toxins are extracted from them, we're going to start getting into the quantitative parts of this last subtopic for Module 5. So we'll be doing calculations for solution equilibria. Really what we're just doing is a reapplication of the quantitative techniques that I've already taught you for all quantitative equilibrium calculations. But until then, have a good one.